Today I'm going to show you how to switch on the alarm on the new Rollixo IO controller. As a default, this will come switched off. First, remove the screw from the bottom of the front cover and take it off. With the door in the closed position, press and hold the stop and down button until you hear the audible alarm. Followed by pressing the up and down buttons briefly. To test the alarm, you'll need to squeeze the rubber at the bottom of the door when it's fully closed. Make sure you have one of the remotes with you to stop the alarm from going off. To deactivate the alarm, follow the same steps as earlier.